Greetings everyone, Captain Clayface here with another installment of Imma Sculpted, the place where all your sculpting dreams come true. Now I know what you're thinking. Oh, Captain Clayface, how much does it cost for all my dreams to come true? You just gotta like and subscribe, baby. That's all you gotta do. In today's belated Halloween episode, I missed it by a few days I think, we are going to be sculpting Leatherface from the 1974 classic horror film, The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Now, I could easily waste the next 2 hours of your life talking about how wonderful the Texas Chainsaw Massacre is, which is really funny because the original film is actually only like an hour and a half long, actually less than that probably. But you're not here for that, so instead you get around 10 minutes of me playing with clay. Had Leatherface's legs been that long in the movie, ain't no way Sally would have gotten away. He would have caught her, they would have been having Sally burgers for dinner, or Sally steak. But don't worry, I ended up making them shorter, not a big deal. Here I am just fattening up my boy. I could have used more aluminum foil to save on clay, but I am not a clever man. I decided to remove the arms and save them for later just so I could have a little bit more room to work with while putting the folds in the shirt and the apron and all those other little front details. Leatherface wears 3 different masks in the original film. I went with the I like to hang people on meat hooks mask because that's the one that he's wearing the first time you see him, and it's iconic, man. A good set of silicone tools is pretty handy to have, and they worked really well here adding the folds in the apron. Alright, I went ahead and made the legs shorter off camera so it was safe to sculpt the shoes and finish up the pant legs. Ugh. Since I am nothing if not a gentleman, I figured it was high time to give Leatherface his arms back. That way he can get back to doing what he does best, which is hitting people in the head with hammers and murdering people in wheelchairs. A piece of wire mesh sandwiched in between 2 pieces of aluminum sheet metal. You got yourself a chainsaw blade, my friend. Work with what you got. Girl, I had feather lace in my salon the other day. Player had more split ends than a nude beach. So I recently sold one of my sculptures, and like any responsible adult would do, I bought myself an airbrush kit. I'm still trying to get the hang of it, so I didn't use it to paint this entire piece. I just used it on a couple places, but I really like it so far, and I'm probably going to use it a lot more moving forward. Aw, look, we must have caught him right after Thanksgiving dinner. You know, get it? 'Cause he eats people. Get it? Cannibals. And there you go, kiddos, all finished. Again, please like and subscribe. Go watch the original Texas Chainsaw Massacre 1974. It is a masterpiece. I hope everyone had a safe and happy Halloween, and I will see you on the next episode. Goodbye.
If I have any more fun today, I don't think I'm going to be able to take it.